Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Direct Smile Club is probably one of the most sought-after teeth whitening solutions on the market today, promising a dazzling smile with remarkable ease and convenience, and it's no wonder why so many are turning to this innovative system for their cosmetic dental needs, aiming to achieve that perfect, camera-ready grin without the hassle or expense of traditional dental procedures, making it an attractive option for anyone looking to boost their confidence and enhance their appearance. Number 5. Auraglow Plug-in LED Teeth Whitening Kit. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile from the comfort of your home. This advanced system is designed for effective and safe teeth whitening. Our kit utilizes a professional strength whitening gel that's also enamel safe. It gently lifts stains without causing sensitivity. Perfect for removing tough stains caused by coffee, tea, and other daily indulgences. Get ready to reveal your whitest smile yet. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for multiple whitening treatments. Enjoy salon-quality results on your own schedule. The wired LED light device is easy to use. Simply plug it in and begin your whitening journey. It's designed for maximum convenience. Experience a transformation that boosts your confidence. With 12 treatments included, you can maintain your radiant smile for longer. What we like? This kit offers a powerful 35% carbamide peroxide gel for effective whitening. It comes with 12 treatments, making it a comprehensive solution for at-home use. If you're looking for a complete, wired system with ample treatments, this is a great choice for tackling coffee and tea stains. What people say. The whitening kit comes with a comfortable mouth tray that fits well. It effectively removes stains from coffee and tea. The results are noticeable after just a few uses, leaving teeth visibly brighter. Number 4. MySmile Teeth Whitening Light. Achieve a brighter smile with our advanced teeth whitening light. This powerful accelerator uses 5 LEDs to enhance the effectiveness of your whitening treatments. Its integrated smart timer ensures you get the optimal treatment duration every time. The long-lasting batteries mean you can whiten wherever and whenever you need to. No more guesswork. The built-in timer guides your session for maximum results. It's designed for convenience and effectiveness. Enjoy the freedom of cordless use with its durable, long-lasting batteries. This makes your teeth whitening routine more flexible than ever before. The included mouth trays are designed for a comfortable fit. Simply apply your preferred whitening gel and let the light do the work. Experience a professional-level whitening treatment in the comfort of your home. Get ready to reveal your most radiant smile yet. What we like? This device features 5 LED accelerator light with a smart timer for convenience. It's battery-powered, offering portability and ease of use. If you prefer a wireless, timer-guided whitening experience and already have your preferred gel, this is an excellent option. What people say. The whitening kit comes with a comfortable mouth tray that fits well. It effectively removes stains from coffee and wine, leaving teeth noticeably brighter. The LED light accelerator speeds up the whitening process, delivering results in a shorter time. Number 3. Venus Visage Teeth Whitening Pen, 2-pack. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile with our professional-grade whitening pen. It's designed for effective stain removal and gentle on your teeth. Experience professional whitening results without the sensitivity. Our advanced formula is enamel-safe, ensuring a comfortable experience. Get over 30 uses from this convenient pack. It's perfect for maintaining your radiant smile on the go. Easily tackle tough stains from coffee, wine, and tobacco. This pen delivers targeted treatment right where you need it. Enjoy a refreshing mint flavor with every application. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. Compact and easy to use, it's your ideal companion for touch-ups anywhere. Keep your smile looking its best, no matter where you are. What we like? These pens offer a convenient, low-sensitivity formula for on-the-go whitening. Each pack contains 2 pens, providing over 30 uses. If you need a quick touch-up for coffee, wine, or tobacco stains and prioritize a travel-friendly, enamel-safe option, these pens are ideal. What people say. The whitening kit comes with a comfortable mouth tray that fits well. The LED light accelerates the whitening process, delivering noticeable results in a short time. The formula is gentle on gums and doesn't cause sensitivity for most users. Number 2. Auraglow 35% Teeth Whitening Gel. Achieve a brighter smile with our Dentist Strength Teeth Whitening Gel. It's formulated with carbamide peroxide for effective stain removal. This versatile gel is perfect for use with your existing teeth trays, retainers, or aligners. Get professional results from the comfort of your home. Each package provides enough gel for 30 treatments, ensuring you have a full supply for your whitening journey. Enjoy a noticeably whiter smile. The gel comes in 3 easy-to-use 5 ml syringes. This packaging ensures precise application and maintains the freshness of the product. Unlock your most confident smile with our advanced whitening formula. It's designed for maximum effectiveness and ease of use. What we like. This gel boasts Dentist Strength 35% carbamide peroxide and provides 30 treatments. It's designed for use with trays, retainers, or aligners. If you're seeking a high-concentration gel for regular use with your existing dental appliances and want a professional-grade solution, this is the one. What people say. The whitening kit is very easy to use and the results are noticeable after just a few uses. I love how the trays fit perfectly to my teeth, ensuring even whitening. The LED light speeds up the process and makes the whitening more effective. Number 1. Auraglow Teeth Whitening Gel. Introducing the Auraglow Teeth Whitening Gel. Simply add it to your regular toothpaste for a brighter smile. With 9% hydrogen peroxide, it effectively whitens your teeth. No messy trays or strips are needed for this easy application. Tired of stains from coffee, wine, or tea? This gel is designed to remove them, revealing a cleaner smile. Get over 350 whitening treatments from this single bottle. It's a cost-effective way to maintain a radiant smile. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust the quality and effectiveness of this whitening solution. Experience the difference this gel can make. Achieve a noticeably whiter smile with minimal effort. What we like. This unique gel is designed to be added to your regular toothpaste for effortless whitening. It offers over 350 treatments per bottle, making it incredibly cost-effective. If you dislike using trays or strips and want a simple, long-lasting solution to maintain whiteness from coffee, wine, and tea, this is perfect. What people say. The whitening kit is very effective and delivers noticeable results. The design of the whitening trays ensures a comfortable fit and even application of the gel. The LED accelerator light speeds up the whitening process, providing quicker results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.